Hello. How's everyone? Good. Good. We are Unity. How many of you know Unity?
Hands of those who don't know it, with the rest believes.
How many have been using Unity game engine? Nice. That's nice. Cool. So yes, we are 1,300 people in the company in different locations. In Helsinki we do something a bit different, so we're not working with the game engine that much, but that is still our main product, so Unity game engine. So we do, or you can do 2D, 3D, VR, AR experiences with Unity. Yeah. This is what we want to do. So we want to democratize game development, making making games more easy for everyone. And you can start with the Unity engine free of charge. So starting a gaming project shouldn't be that hard. We have a lot of demos how to do games. Also, we have an asset store. So let's say you're too lazy to create clouds to your game, so you could just go to asset store and check what kind of clouds people have already created. And most of them are free, so you don't have to pay anything for them. Another thing we want to do is solve hard problems. We know that not every game is successful, so we want to bring tools how to make your game successful by providing different kind of services. And then we want to enable success with these tools. This is how many downloads have been made with Unity and how many people our game engine touches. So it's quite a big number. And these are the platforms we support. So there are many platforms that Unity supports. One hot topic nowadays is VR. So currently 70% of all VR experiences are made with Unity, which is pretty cool. It's a very high number. Of all top 1,000 free mobile games are made with Unity. 34% are made with Unity. And here are some that you might recognize. Can you recognize the first one here? Yeah, that's Hearthstone. The rest have names. So, City Skylines is actually made by Colossal Order, which is a Finnish company. So here are a few examples of highly successful games. Also Pokemon Go being one of the top AR games. And we think that AR is getting more popular and popular, probably before VR, because VR is still quite in the tiny shoes. So looking forward to see what kind of new AR games there's coming. But Unity is not only AR, VR, so on. Unity is actually used in movies nowadays. So our graphics is something that we're really proud of. The graphics in the engine part. The graphics part, what is really cool about graphics in Unity is that you have a lot of techniques how to make light show in different kind of ways, like the shadowing part. Also NASA uses Unity. Some interior design companies use Unity for AR experiences, VR. And then there's automotive industry. So let's say that you want to build a car, so you can use Unity for that. Or some companies use Unity for that, kind of like building the car already with Unity and checking which components go there, where, and if they fit. These are some of Unity's services. So there are cloud services, in-app purchases that we can help with, multiplayer feature, analytics part. So let's say you wanna check that some analytics that if you have a character who dies at some point during the game, what is the part where the character dies? If it's like 70% people die at this part of the game, then that's something highly valuable information for you. Maybe it's something that you can develop, like that part. What we do in Helsinki are actually Unity apps and then EveryPlay. So EveryPlay is a mobile video replay system. And talking about dying again. So let's say you die in a funny way in some game and you want to share that video. So then you can upload it to EveryPlay. It's kind of like YouTube. So you might have followers and then you can comment on the video links. But mainly people in Helsinki are working with our apps product. So basically the advertisements that you can see in mobile games. That's what we do. But we're mainly building the kind of like the backend side. So most of the people are very experienced software developers, working mainly with JavaScript and microservices. I'm not sure how familiar you are with Adam. So Adam is a kind of like short movie clips that we do every now and then. And we would like to show you Adam 3 trailer. And the actual video is coming live on 13. I think that's next week's Thursday. So let's see what you can do with Unity nowadays, especially on the graphics part.
You want to know what you are? We don't know why they keep us alive.
Look at what they have done to him. They fashioned your Jacob into the very image of the devil.
Crimes against the consortium. Felony. Treason.
I completely forgot to say who I am, but my name is Bea. I've been working at Unity for more than 2 years. And this is Pauliina, and she will tell you more about how we work and so on.
I'm not sure if I have hands enough to hold this thing. You can take care of that. I can find those. So hi everybody, I'm Pauliina, working at Unity Recruitment in Helsinki. I joined Unity June last year after working 2.5 years for Rovio in HR. I have to say that it has been a blast. So basically, meeting new people to recruit to our offices is like, it's a joyride in a sense. So here you can see a map of our offices currently and what's going on. Basically, we are 1,400 people globally. In Helsinki, we are 140 people currently. And basically, just a bit more than 1,000 people it takes to run the most successful and mostly used game engine in the world. Of course, it wasn't always like that, so we don't have to go much more than 10 years back, and it was 3 guys in a basement, and that's where it all started. I'm not sure if you have heard the story. Anyone knows the story, how Unity got founded? No. So basically there were 3 guys who started making games, mobile games, and their passion was to make a game or 2. And then quite soon they realized that they are not very good in making mobile games, but their game platform was pretty good, and that's where we are currently.
What year it was?
2004. Yeah. So it's 14 years back. Currently, all around the world we have 160 positions open. So basically, Unity has been growing pretty fast lately. And as Bea mentioned about the ads network, it is one of the biggest growing services that we have. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Anyone of you heard about Unity Connect? I guess we have game developers around, so this might be something you might want to check. So basically we have a platform called Unity Connect, and that is free to use. You can basically like create a portfolio and a profile for yourself, and it's for the use both of like those people who are looking for new opportunities or new people to work with, and it's almost also for the clients who are in need of developers or artists or whatever. So basically you can just like create your profile, you can apply for jobs that client has posted in our Connect. There are quite a lot of talents there currently, so it's like 135,000 plus talents that can be found through Unity Connect. And yeah, so basically why we do it is because we are going everywhere developer first. So we want to enable success for the developers. Okay, here comes the video part. But what we are really proud at Unity and working at Unity, because we believe in empowering, and that is something that makes people to be passionate on what they do and how they want to work and how they want to drive themselves towards better results and good results on their job.
Unity is basically populated by very talented people. You will be inspired every day coming to work here because the people around you are all super talented. They are all passionate about what they do, so it's very inspiring to be with people that actually love their work.
I think the thing that makes me most proud about working at Unity is just how far we've come. Like in the time that I've worked here, that I've gotten to see us go from 80 people or something like that to the size we are and to become as successful as we are.
It's just working with people that are really, really passionate about what they do.
I guess what surprised me was how easily integrated I was into the whole organization, even though everyone is working on different things.
The thing that makes me the most proud to work at Unity is when I see a lot of indie guys and smaller studios, they're going and they're making awesome games and they're just loving it and having a great time doing it.
Here in the Copenhagen office, a lot of us that work together are also pretty close friends outside the office as well. And so whenever you get to go to work every day and you're working surrounded by your friends, it really puts you in a really good environment.
Not only do we have a lot of fun and we kind of get around and have a few laughs, but working with really awesome, intelligent guys all the time is just like, it's amazing.
The people we really would like to hire are people that are passionate about what they do. What we promise people are hard problems, an inspiring environment, great colleagues, and then an opportunity to change the course of video game industry.